Ayo. Hey, my name is Dor, and I own a few companies and I do mainly online distribution in different fields in high scale. What it means is that I distribute my products across different channels online, whether it's display or search, or also AI products such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the two hottest coding agents right now. The first one is Claude Code by Anthropic, and the second one is Codex by OpenAI. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to create a website called Insurance Ottawa. And what I'm going to do is create a PRD using Claude, the regular version, the web UI version. I'm going to create a PRD and I'm going to feed this PRD into the two coding agents. And yeah, I'm going to look at the results basically. So stick around, let's get to it. So we're going to kick it off with Claude. I'm going to open Claude with this flag, dangerously skip permissions, because I'm lazy and I don't want to approve every action that Claude does. All right. And here what I'm going to do is I've prepared in advance a PRD, which is based on Taskmaster template. Taskmaster is a really strong MCP server that you can connect to your Claude Code that helps you track and create tasks for any features you want to develop. So I've pushed this template into Claude Code and I told it to create a website about insurance in Ottawa. Yeah, so I'm taking this template, I'm copying it, and then in my VS Code, I'm telling Claude to create this homepage. Follow KISS. KISS means keep it simple, stupid. It looks like it improves the results I'm getting from Claude. So here we go. I'm gonna keep track on what's going on in here in localhost 3000. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna resume once we have something to show. All right, so it looks like Claude is done. Now I'm gonna set up Codex. Codex is a bit more awkward, pasting stuff inside the terminal itself. So I'm gonna put the instructions here inside the Codex directory in prd.txt. They're already here. So I'm going to run a command which is equivalent to what I ran in Claude, which basically means that I'm going to bypass everything and approve everything, which is dangerous, especially when you're connected like to a production project. So I'm going to switch the model, GPT-5. And I'm gonna write this, create the homepage, follow prd.txt, follow kiss. Let's go. Now, this is gonna take a bit of time as well. I'm going to stop the video and resume it once I have results, and then we're going to compare between the Claude Code results and the Codex results. And we're back. The results from Codex came in, so it finished working. It got stuck in the middle once. By the way, like the results I'm going to show you in Codex, it was like 2 iterations. In Claude Code, it was 1 iteration. And it got stuck with the command I showed earlier. I used this command, full auto, and it looked like it solved it. Like it didn't request any approvals while the agent was working. Let's start comparing them. I'll start off with OpenAI. Not the best result, a bit disappointing. The next prompt I would probably give it would be to change the theme into a bright color one, but it looks kind of weak. There is a calculator here, which is pretty cool. Besides that, not very impressive. Let's move over to Claude Code, and as I said, Claude Code one shot at it. This looks way better in my opinion. We have a nice hero section, different categories, CTA. Sorry, that's a calculator. Reviews, FAQs, which for me is one of the most critical things, or let's say that's always on my list when creating a website that I wanted to rank in AI platforms. Make sure that when you create the FAQ, you also add to it the Google schema and tell the chat or whatever you're using to create FAQs to add also optional fields to it, meaning that it will fill the whole schema by Google. Yeah, overall looks sharp, very impressive for one shot. One thing that I noticed that keeps happening with Claude Code is that it uses 2024 as the year. So take a look at that and change it to 25. You can also do it, create like a base prompt where you tell the coding agent to always use use the date object, where you can set it always to be the latest year instead of hard coding it as 2024. Yeah, Claude Code is clearly the winner here, in my opinion. In the next rounds on this project, I'm going to keep using Claude Code, and yeah, I'm going to do some interesting things, try to make it rank in different places, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Thank you guys. See you around.